It's January 2026, and Europe is frozen under a relentless polar vortex, blanketing cities and countryside alike in a deep, icy grip. Temperatures have plunged to minus 20 degrees and below. This isn't just winter, it's survival mode. Every breath you take stings, and the world outside feels almost alien. Roads are icy, snow is everywhere, and even a simple grocery run feels like an expedition. Every step and every mile is a challenge, testing your patience and your preparation. Your car isn't built for the Arctic. Metal, rubber, and plastic all struggle in this cold. Even the best vehicles can falter when the temperature drops this low. If you don't prepare, your car will let you down. Batteries die, doors freeze shut, and engines refuse to start. This guide will show you how to get your car ready, drive safely, and make it home with your groceries and your sanity. You'll learn the tricks that keep you moving when others are stuck. We'll turn your everyday car into a winter warrior. With the right steps, your vehicle can handle almost anything winter throws at it. Winter driving isn't just for experts with giant trucks. Anyone can do it with the right knowledge and preparation. Your small car can be just as capable as any SUV. The rules change when the roads are covered in snow and ice. Every decision matters more, and every mistake is magnified. Ignore them, and you're asking for trouble. One wrong move can mean hours stranded or worse. Follow these steps, and you'll not only survive, you'll feel accomplished. So, let's get started. You're about to become your own winter hero. This isn't about being a hero. It's about being smart and prepared. A little planning goes a long way when the weather turns dangerous. Your summer car becomes a different animal in winter. It needs new habits, new gear, and a new mindset to thrive. The road demands respect when it's covered in white powder or invisible ice. Overconfidence is your enemy. Caution is your best friend. Preparation is your best defense. The more you do now, the less you'll worry later. If you're ready, you'll conquer the cold and come home victorious. Every safe trip is a win. Let's get your car ready for battle. We'll cover everything you need to know, step by step. Check your mindset. Be smart, be slow, be ready for anything. The adventure starts now. Ready? Let's go. Here's how to win against winter. Let's make sure you and your car are up for the challenge. Preparation starts the night before, never in a morning rush. Taking a few extra minutes in the evening can save you from stress and trouble when the temperature drops and time is tight. First, check your tires. Cold drops the pressure, so top them up to the recommended level. Properly inflated tires give you better grip and control on icy roads. Winter tires? Perfect. If not, make sure your regular tires have good tread. Worn tires can be dangerous, especially when roads are slick or covered in snow. Test your battery. Turn on the headlights for 30 seconds with the engine off. Dim lights mean a weak battery. Cold weather can drain batteries fast, so don't take chances. Keep a charged jump starter in your car. It's a lifesaver if your battery fails, especially far from help. Use winter-grade windscreen washer fluid, rated for at least minus 25 degrees. Regular fluid can freeze, leaving you with a smeared, icy windscreen. Keep your fuel tank at least half full to prevent frozen fuel lines. Running low on fuel in winter can leave you stranded and cold. Check your coolant, antifreeze, and make sure your heater and defroster work. A warm cabin and clear windows are essential for safe winter driving. Assemble an emergency kit: blankets, torch, shovel, gloves, high-vis vest, first aid kit, snacks, water, and a phone power bank. Add ice scrapers and sand or cat litter for traction if you get stuck. Don't forget extra batteries and a small toolkit. These can help with minor repairs or emergencies on the road. Prepare all this tonight so you can focus on driving in the morning. A calm start means safer decisions on the road. A little effort now means a safer, smoother trip tomorrow. You'll thank yourself when you're not scrambling in the cold. Your car is now ready for the cold. It's protected, and so are you. Don't skip these steps. Winter is unforgiving. Even a small oversight can lead to big problems. The right gear can make all the difference. Dress warmly, and keep extra layers in your car just in case. Think of it as giving your car its winter armor. Every step adds a layer of protection against the elements. You're not just protecting your car, you're protecting yourself. Preparation is power. It's the best way to ensure you and your loved ones stay safe. Sleep easy, knowing you're ready. Tomorrow, you drive, confident, prepared, and safe. Morning. Your car is buried under snow. It's a familiar winter scene, but how you handle it makes all the difference. Before you even touch the door handle, take a moment to plan your approach. Don't cut corners. Clear all windows, mirrors, and lights. Visibility is everything, especially when roads are slick and unpredictable. Use a proper ice scraper and a soft brush to avoid scratches. Cheap tools or makeshift items can damage your glass or paint, so invest in quality gear. Don't forget the roof. Snow can slide onto your windscreen or hit cars behind you. Even a small amount left up top can become a hazard once you're moving. It's dangerous and often illegal to leave snow on top. Fines and penalties aside, it's about keeping everyone on the road safe. Start the engine, but don't rush off. Let it run for a minute to get the oil moving and the defroster working. This helps your car warm up evenly and prevents engine strain. Turn on front and rear defrosters to melt any remaining ice. Give them a moment to do their job. Patience here pays off with a clear view. Do a quick walk around, check tires, look for icicles, and make sure nothing's frozen solid. Pay attention to wheel wells and undercarriage, where ice can build up unnoticed. Gently lift your wipers to ensure they're not stuck to the glass. Stuck wipers can tear or break if forced. If they are, let the defroster free them, never force it. A little patience now saves you from costly repairs later. Wipe blades clean for clear vision. Even a thin layer of ice can smear your view and make driving dangerous. Now you're ready. Calm, unrushed, and fully prepared. Take a deep breath and appreciate your effort. It's worth it. Ease into gear, release the handbrake, and move off gently. Sudden moves can cause wheels to spin on icy surfaces. The adventure begins. Clearing your car properly is your first victory. You've set yourself up for a safer, smoother drive. Don't rush. Safety starts before you drive. Every minute spent now pays off on the road. Let's roll. Confident and ready for whatever winter throws your way. On the road, the key word is smooth. Accelerate, brake, and steer gently. No sudden moves. Imagine a full cup of coffee on your dash. Don't spill it. Black ice is invisible and deadly. Triple your following distance. Aim for 6 to 8 seconds. Stopping on ice takes much longer than on dry roads. Use low-beam headlights in snow or fog. High beams just reflect back. Fog lights help if you have them. Keep your lights on so others see you. If you skid, stay calm. Don't slam the brakes. Steer gently in the direction the rear of your car is sliding. Steer into the skid. As the car straightens, ease the wheel back. Practice this in an empty car park if you can. Visibility and grip are everything. Winter driving is about patience and control. Respect the conditions, and you'll stay safe. Every action should be deliberate. The road is your test. Pass it with care. Smooth is safe. Stay alert. Stay calm. You've got this. You've made it to the supermarket, but the car park is a minefield. Slow down and scan for the safest, flattest spot. Don't park on a slope or near snow piles. Sometimes a spot farther from the entrance is safer than squeezing in close. Avoid areas where snowplows are working. When exiting, test the ground before stepping out. Use the car for support. Do the penguin shuffle, small, flat-footed steps, arms out for balance. Watch for black ice and walk on snow for better grip. Hold onto your trolley for support. Stay focused. Put your phone away. Your mission, get from car to store safely. Inside, shop with purpose. No browsing. Stock up on non-perishables, canned soups, beans, tuna, pasta, rice, oats, crackers, peanut butter, instant noodles. Bottled water is essential. Grab UHT milk and hot drinks like tea and coffee. Choose fresh foods that last. Potatoes, carrots, onions, apples, oranges, cabbage, eggs, hard cheese. Freeze half your bread for backup. Don't forget medications, painkillers, batteries, candles, matches, and toilet paper. If you have babies or pets, get enough supplies for them too. Buy enough to avoid another trip if the weather worsens. Shop smart. Think survival, not snacks. Every item should serve a purpose. Efficiency is key. Get in, get what you need, get out. The right supplies mean you're ready for anything. Don't overthink, stick to your list, you're almost done. Time to get your groceries back to the car, carefully. Make multiple light trips instead of carrying everything at once. Use the trolley to minimize carrying distance. Load heavy items low in the boot, lighter ones on top. Secure everything. Sudden stops can turn groceries into projectiles. Use crates or bungee cords if you have them. Before leaving, check your windows for new snow. Take a breath, focus, and prepare for the drive home. Safety isn't just for the road. Pack smart. Move smart. The final stretch awaits. The drive home is just as risky. Your car is heavier and needs more stopping distance. Keep your speed down, brake gently, and leave extra space. Park safely. Avoid slopes and deep snowbanks. Make several small trips to unload groceries, using the Penguin Shuffle. Bring in frozen and refrigerated items first. Store everything properly right away. Lock up, make a hot drink, and relax. You've conquered the cold and stocked your home. Mission accomplished. You've been a winter warrior. Preparation and patience paid off. Enjoy the warmth. You earned it. Until next time. You faced the polar vortex and won. Preparation, patience, and calm got you through. You don't need a fancy car, just the right mindset and respect for the conditions. The most important safety feature is you. Share what you've learned. Safer roads help everyone. Be proud of your winter driving skills. Next time will be easier. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember, smooth is fast, prepared is victorious. You've earned that cup of tea. Winter driving is for everyone. Now you know how. What worried you most? Name it, and you can conquer it. Until the next adventure, drive smart.